Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja. So today we have another question, Maths Olympiad question, and it says that you are given a figure. Okay. So they say we have a square ABCD. Square means all the sides are equal, x, 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 x. If I say a side is x, then all sides are x, right? And then they say that area of triangles CBE is 64. This triangle, area of this triangle is what? This is 64, right? This triangle, area is 64. And then they say we need to find out the length of DE. So D to E, this length you need to figure out, right? Okay, so let us proceed with this question. Now first thing it says that area of square. What is area of square? Side times side, right? X times x, and it is given 128. Okay, now if I take square root on both sides, what will I get? I will get x is equal to, what is square root of 128? If I can write it as 64 times 2, right? And 64 is 8 times 8, so I can write it, take 8 outside, and x will be equal to 8 under root 2, right? Okay, then they say area of triangle CBE is 64, right? What is the area of triangle? Area of triangle is half times base times height. If you see here, what is base? Base, I said this is y, and what is height here? This is x, and this is equal to 64. So that means if I multiply xy, that will be equal to 128, right? And x, I know what is x? X is 8 under root 2. So I can find what is y. Y will also be equal to 8 under root 2, because we have already seen here that 128, what is 128? It is 8 root 2 times 8 root 2, right? So if we solve it, or you can, if you do not know how to do this, you can divide it as well like this way. So if I do solve it like this way, so y will be equal to 128 divided by 8 under root 2, right? So if you divide it, you will get 16, right? And whenever we have under root 2 in denominator, we always rationalize, right? So we will get 16 under root 2, and under root 2 times under root 2 is 2, and then you will get 8 under root 2. So now you know that x and y both are 8 under root 2. This is 8 under root 2, this is 8 under root 2. So DE, we need to find DE, that will be equal to x plus y, right? So 8 under root 2 plus 8 under root 2, that is equal to 16 under root 2. Otherwise as well, we can see here that this triangle is actually, the area of this triangle is half of area of square, right? So we earlier as well, we could have said that this is 8 root 2 only, but we can find out this way as well, right? So I hope you understood this. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and keep watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.